Kung may tunay na pagsamba, iyon ay dahil ang Diyos mismo ang kumikilos. He regenerates the heart. He granted repentance and faith. He keeps, He secures, He assures His people habang naghihintay sila ng second coming ni Kristo. So ang question po is not simply, handa ba ako ngayong Christmas? May handa ba kami ngayong Christmas? Handa ba ang aking puso ngayong Christmas? Hindi po yun ang question. Ang question is this: has the King already conquered my heart? Why is that so important? Lalo na sa Christmas season, na magkaroon tayo ng reflection, has the King already conquered my heart? This is the reason. Because the same King who came in humility will return in glory. At dapat maunawaan natin na ang pagbabalik niya ay upang tuparin completely yung kanyang pangako sa kanyang covenant people. Yung mga taong effectually called and preserved by His Spirit, they will surely persevere in worship. Listen, they will surely persevere in worship. Bibigyan sila ng hope, ng faith, hanggang wakas. It's either ng kawakasan ng buhay nila o kawakasan ng sanlibutan ito, pananatilihin sila ng Diyos sa iglesia.